So this is my technical description of the vending machine project. So firstly, we start by importing the table from the module known as tabulate. It it formats the data in a table form. And then the next code which we have is the vending menu, that is a variable, and here we are storing the whole data structure, that is the whole dictionary organizes the vending machine's inventory into categories like chips, drinks, chocolates, etc. So the name of the product, price is the cost, and the stock is the quantity available in the machine. So here we are storing basically the menu of the whole vending machine. We have 7 categories total in this menu, and each categories consist of different items under each. So yeah, then moving forward, next we have is the menu display function. Then the purpose for this code, dev display underscore vending menu, that one, the purpose for this is that it displays a menu of available items. So basically, if the category is provided, it displays the items in that category, and if category is not provided, then it displays a list of available categories. Okay, and the table used is tabulate. Next is the customization of hot beverages. Now this allows the user to customize hot beverage by adding sugar or milk. So here the user is asked if they want to add sugar or milk, and the output, if the user types yes, it's gonna add, and if the user types no, they're not gonna add. Next, the last one is the main program. Here there are other a lot of stages. So first one is initialization. Over here the purpose is to set up the environment for the vending machine operation. So basically the whole vending machine operates only by using this code, like it's essential. All right, and then over here the total cost, this variable is it tracks the total cost of the item purchase, and the variable categories, it extracts a list of categories from the vending menu, okay, which you have above in the code. The next section is category section. Over here they display the available categories, and they accept the user input to select a category, and then it validates input to ensure that it corresponds to a valid input. So it will check if the input entered by the user is valid or not. Next is the item selection. Over here the function is that it displays item within the chosen category. For suppose I have chosen chocolate, it will display the items under the category of chocolate, and then it allows the user to select a item under that category, and it checks if the code entered by the user for that item is valid or not, and it also checks if it's in stock or not. Okay, the next thing is hot beverage customization. Now over here, if the category chosen by the user is hot beverage, then it is gonna ask the user if they want to customize the hot beverage, if they want to add sugar or not. And if the category is not hot beverage, then the normal payment method will continue. Next is stock and total cost management. Over here the purpose is that it adds items price to the total cost. So the current cost is added to the total cost, and it decreases the item of the stock. Like suppose if I'm buying chocolate, and the chocolate item, the stock of the chocolate is 12, so it's gonna decrease to 11 based on how much I have bought that chocolate. The last one is payment handling. Over here it calculates the balance, and also if the amount paid is insufficient, or if the user has paid more amount and the balance is needed. It calculates all the balance and due and everything, and it tells the user to pay. And once the payment is done, the user is finally it comes to an end with an ending message, that is have a nice day ahead. Okay, so yeah, this is everything, and including leaving behind all those, also each code we have also added the exit option or the back option, like while asking the user if the user to select the item code. If the user wants to go back to the categories, if he has changed his mind that no, he doesn't want to take the item from this category, he can just type back, and the program is going to take them back to the categories.